This is Project Coulter, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 soft top built to our client's exact specification. Coulter is painted in a full gloss Portofino blue with black accents all around. Coulter sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels in Chawton white with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a 4-point roll cage, classic front bumper and OEM side steps. Inside, Coulter features a Momo Indy wood steering wheel with classic white gauges, 2 Corbeau trail cap front seats and 2 inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Cadence Spice leather, stitched together in red. This Defender also features our teak wood panelling in the cargo area. Coulter is powered by our 6.2 litre L92 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This Defender 90 also features an array of modern elements such as JL audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.